and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
What's up, JVs? Radu here on behalf of myself and the entire Profit team. We'd like to say a big thank you for choosing to promote our next blockbuster launch going live on February 17, called Profit SGE. Now, SGE stands for Search Generative Experience, and it's the links that the AI gives you to read more and learn more when it gives you answers. And it's the next step in SEO. So you see, SEO is going to see a huge change coming in the next months, where it's replaced with this SGE. So instead of SEO, we'll all do SGE optimization. So Profit SGE does all that for you. So it gets your site ranked #1 in the recommendations that AI chatbots give to users. So, your customers are going to see huge traffic coming from those AI chatbots in ways that's never been possible until now. So we're positioning Profit SGE in the same way that we did with Profit Mark last month, in that it's a huge update coming, but instead of email, this is for SEO. So Profit Mark did extremely well with over 2,000 sales. Profit SGE is positioned to do the same. The SEO market is huge and it's about to get revolutionized. So make sure you book February 17 right now in your calendars for Profit SGE. We have thousands of dollars in JV prizes. We have a product that's really new, guaranteed to make you big commission, and guaranteed reciprocation from the 3 of us. So make sure you grab your link right now, grab swipes, bonuses, the demo video, reach out to us if you need anything at all, and I will see you February 17th for Profit SGE.